Get ready to dive into the ultimate Coventry experience at Burges House Student Accommodation. Located at Trinity Street, Burges House offers a stunning selection of stylish studios, equipped with the comfiest beds, private study areas, shelves, and ensuite washrooms to give you the ultimate privacy you deserve. And when hunger strikes, head to the fully equipped kitchenette to make yourself a cup of coffee, cook up a sandwich on the cooktop, or even bake a cake in the oven. And if that's not enough, Burges House also features some amazing communal facilities, including a top-notch gym with all the latest equipment, chill-out spaces to unwind in on weekends, room cleaning service, and a 24/7 concierge to keep your belongings safe. Plus, with an all-inclusive billing policy and year-round social events, you'll feel right at home in no time. Need to get to class? No problem. Coventry University is just a 10-minute walk down the street, and City College Coventry is only a 4-minute bus ride away. If you're craving Italian cuisine, Arca Restaurant is just a short walk away, serving up delicious pasta, grilled meats, and seafood to enjoy with your mates. And for your weekly shopping, head straight to the nearby Sainsbury's supermarket. With an abundance of fun and joy guarantee, you won't want to miss out on this amazing student home. Book your spot now on amberstudent.com.